Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel supremedpfcleaning.com. Today we are test driving Vauxhall Insignia, which came in with DPF issues. Now the problems has been solved.
Hello, how you doing?
Right, I have a question to ask.
Of course.
You brought your car with a problem, with a power loss, so many things.
Yeah.
Now you have test driving the car. Can you tell us how it was and how is it now?
Oh, well, what happened really was the service vehicle light came on. I knew it had just been serviced. I was thinking that the mechanic hadn't switched the thing off, but it turned out it was other issues. It was a DPF issue. I would drive along, especially on a motorway, doing 55, 60 mile an hour, and I'd start climbing up a hill. There's a lorry in front. I overtake, go out into the second lane to overtake the lorry, and all of a sudden, as I'm increasing the power as I'm going uphill to get past the lorry, the power, I lose power, and the speed starts coming off, and now the lorry's going past me, and it was pretty dangerous. It's a difficult thing. I had to pull over. I've got people come out and
Turn the ignition off.
Done all that. Turn the ignition off. Turn it back on again to reset the ECU to get it working again. But it was just really dangerous. And it turns out that I had an engine management light come on, and it was the engine being choked. The DPF, it can't breathe. So took it to my man Errol, and it's completely a different car.
How is it driving now?
It's just so much better through the rev range, in all the gears. I can accelerate, and it still accelerates. There's no lights coming on. There's no
big power difference.
Yeah, massive big power difference. Yeah, it's I've only had the car a year, and it was 160 brake horsepower, but I don't know it's 160 brake horsepower because it's not been driving right. But now I can feel that it's got its horses back. I can feel it. It's a different car altogether. I know that I'm going to drive down the motorway nice and comfortable, and if I get into trouble, I can just accelerate past that trouble.
Even sixth gear.
Yeah. Even in sixth gear. Yeah, I don't have to change down to fourth or anything like that. I just leave it in sixth,
picks up.
and it picks up straight away. Yeah, exactly that.
Okay. Thank you very much for your positive feedback. Yeah. Thank you. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. For now, later we'll be changing our address to somewhere else, and we'll let you know. You can reach us with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue issues, and also we are remapping center. Our telephone number is 07533 636 194, 07533 636 194. DPF is what we know. Thanks for watching.